Hi, welcome to SBS Unpacked. Today we're unpacking the WillowWood MetaShock foot. The MetaShock is PDAC verified and the code is L5987. This dynamic foot is appropriate for K3 and K4 activity levels. It's a great option for runners and joggers who may have a little joint and limb sensitivity, as well as community walkers. The max weight is 365 pounds. Inside the box, you will find the MetaShock. Sizes come in 22 to 30 centimeters. Here I have a size 28 centimeters, which, like all MetaShock feet, has an ultra-low build height of 5.4 inches. The foot is lightweight at about 1.59 pounds. The heel height for all sizes is 3/8 of an inch. Also in the box, we have a sock and a user manual. The foot shell is sold separately and comes in 3 colors: buff, tan, and medium brown. All feet in the Meta line have a unibody design, meaning the heel and keel are made from a single piece of carbon fiber with no wraps or connecting hardware. The unibody design reduces the foot's weight and provides a 95% energy return. All Meta feet come with a split keel and sandal toe. It's great for the beach or the pool as it is waterproof and corrosive resistant. Like most things exposed to salt water, be sure to spray it off with a hose to keep it in the best condition. The MetaShock has a low build height and a high deflection thanks to its multi-phase vertical shock absorber. The shock absorber is made up of a shock unit, the pyramid, dome, and housing, which are made from one titanium piece for added strength. And this red ring, called the wiper, keeps debris out. Inside the shock unit, there are dual urethane bumpers, a top bumper, and a bottom bumper that compresses to provide a responsive variable impact protection of the residual limb. The maximum vertical displacement is a little over 1/2 inch, or 13 millimeters. Overall, the maximum displacement and minimum build height makes this lightweight foot a unique option on the market. For more information about the MetaShock, visit sbsco.com. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe.